Hello, I'm David Friend, CEO of Carbonite. I want to thank you for participating in the Carbonite Pro beta. We designed Carbonite Pro to be the world's simplest and most economical business backup service. We've been using it here at Carbonite to back up our own office computers, and now you can too. I'm going to turn you over to Josh, who's going to walk you through the setup process. Josh?
Thanks, Dave. First, let me give you a little overview. You just signed up to become a Carbonite Pro administrator. Your next step will be to invite users to install Carbonite Pro on their computers. I'll show you how in just a minute. Each user will receive an email invitation with a link for installing Carbonite Pro. All the user has to do is click on the link in the email and install Carbonite Pro. Once Carbonite is installed, it automatically backs up each person's files. The user doesn't have to lift a finger. As the administrator, you'll be able to add or delete users, add other administrators, see how much backup storage you're using, view your billing history, and control all user accounts. For example, if someone leaves your company, you'll probably want to block their access to Carbonite Pro. And by the way, we recommend that you have more than one administrator so that there will be someone else to take over the account in the event that you are unavailable. When this video finishes, you'll be taken to a dashboard. The dashboard will be mostly empty at first because there are no users backing up, but let me quickly walk you through the different areas of the dashboard. In the upper left corner is the alerts table. Anything needing attention, such as a user whose backup has stopped for some reason, will appear here. Below are charts that will show you monthly and daily backup activity. To the right are links to other administrator screens, and below that, key statistics for your account. The first thing you'll need to do as an administrator is invite users to install Carbonite. Once Carbonite is installed, backups begin automatically. I suggest that you invite yourself first so that you can experience the installation process. That way you'll know exactly what your users will have to do when you invite them. When you get to the dashboard, click on the link that says Invite a User. This takes you to the Invite Users page. I'll type in my name and my email address. When you click Continue, you'll be back at the dashboard. There's a green confirmation message saying the users you just invited have been sent emails asking them to install Carbonite Pro. Also, you'll see that the name you entered shows up as a yellow dot alert saying User Registration Pending. That alert will stay there until you install Carbonite on a computer. That way you'll know if your users are ignoring your invitations. Next, open your email and read the message from Carbonite. Click on the Install Carbonite Pro link and install the software. This takes you to a page where you can complete your registration as a user. Your email address and name have already been filled in. Just create a password as a user and click Continue. You're now ready to install the software. Click the Install Now button and let the software download. Go ahead and run. If user account control asks for permission, go ahead and let it. You can go ahead and click through all the screens. We've already set Carbonite Pro up to back up all of your important files. Click OK. And that's that. When Carbonite Pro is installed on your PC, you'll see the Carbonite lock icon on your system tray in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen. You can double-click this lock to get to the Carbonite Pro Info Center. Here you can check on the status of your backup, set options, restore files, get support, and so forth. To protect all of your data, Carbonite Pro sends your files over the internet to our secure data centers. The amount of bandwidth used to back up your computer usually wouldn't be noticeable to other internet users, especially after your initial backup is complete and you're only backing up changes and new files. But when you're just getting started with Carbonite Pro, all of your users may be doing their initial backups at the same time, and that could use up enough bandwidth that other internet applications could slow down. There are a couple of ways to deal with this. First, you can use Carbonite Pro's scheduling features to keep Carbonite Pro from backing up during business hours. On the Set Options screen, click on the Backup Schedule tab. Select the button that says Do not back up between the hours of. Enter your normal business hours. And closing time. And click Apply Changes. Now Carbonite Pro will wait until after hours to do any backups. The second, simpler thing you can do is stagger the Carbonite rollout. Don't give it to everybody on the same day. Roll it out over a week so the initial backups are not all happening at the same time. After you've installed Carbonite Pro on your own computer, you'll want to go back to the Invite a User page to send invitations to all the other users in your company. Send one to George. Send one to Dave. And send one to Paula. And I think we're all set there. Click Continue. And they've been sent invitations. Once they've installed Carbonite Pro on their computers, Carbonite will automatically figure out how much storage space each user needs. The total will determine your monthly bill. As a beta user, of course, you won't have to pay anything. If I click on the Users link on the top of the screen, I can see how much storage each person is using. And if I click on their name, I can see their user profile. Anytime you want to play this video again, just click the tutorial link at the top of the screen. So, back to you, Dave.
Thanks again for participating in the Carbonite Pro beta. Please feel free to send me your comments or questions. My email address is david.friend@carbonite.com, or leave me a voicemail at 617-587-1115. I hope you find Carbonite Pro to be just what you need to keep all your computers safe from data disasters.